myself KayB back in the building with yet another reaction video of Mama B. This is my mama and we're gonna be reacting to the bros Joweezy, Vicc and Sparky. Who do you call? Before we get into this video, I just want to say if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, I appreciate it heaps. If you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos, please fams.
PolyMovement fam.
PolyMovement fam.
We've got two brand shirts here. I'll start off with Usomoni.
Usomoni, this brand is owned by Clarence Mikasa, so he has it's originally called Usomoni Brotherhood, but for the sisters out there that want the shirts, they can get sisterhood. So please check out Usomoni Brotherhood on Instagram and Facebook. So he promotes mental health as well, mental health awareness through his authors. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, get you some gear, please do. He does have different colours, especially with the fonts as well, if you guys want different colours.
Okay, and today I'm wearing Seki, which is Swag Elevates Kingly Individuals. Sorry about that. So check out their Instagram and Facebook, I think. So we hit these guys up on Instagram. They got all different color t-shirts, different styles, even the fonts are different with the layouts. They have beanies. Please check them out. Support please PolyMovement. These and along with others, one we're still waiting for. Sorry for the delay for the giveaway. As soon as we get the last lot, definitely we'll start up the giveaway. We'll be giving away merch from Usomoni and Seki, and you would have seen a few videos ago where she was wearing the red Ilche, and that's one of the brands that we'll be using as our giveaway too, and we've got one more coming up.
Yeah fams, so pretty keen. Just a bit of a delay, but we'll be getting to it soon. We'll be there. You know, with this, might end up being a 7K giveaway, who knows?
With this COVID-19, it's just been delayed. But we'll be there. We'll get there soon.
Yeah. Thank you to those that have requested for us to react to this track, and thank you to Sparky as well for reaching out and requesting. Appreciate it heaps, bro. So yeah, let's get to the track. Tommy J.
Tommy J.
Because I remember I've been seeing snippets, and every time I see it, it always shows I think it's Joweezy, and in the snippet of the Tommy J shirts, and plus I saw Tommy J shirt as well, which is pretty sicky.
He's one of the brothers. He's a Polytuber too. Up in Brisbane. Check him out and subscribe to his channel on YouTube, please fams, and follow him on Instagram. Tommy J.
Yeah, it's nice that he's supporting some poly businesses up in there.
Rough Pops.
They all look young, eh? Oh, Rough Pops.
Where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the steppers pull up, get it done. Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dial steps to the scene, where do you go? Where do you run?
He sort of reminds me of RB4K from Enemy, the deep voice. He looks young and he's got that deep voice, eh? Damn. Sorry, let me just go back, play that chorus.
Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dial steps to the scene, where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the steppers pull up, get it done. Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dial steps to the scene, where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the steppers pull up, get it done. Man, I ain't gon' front, but the shit gets hectic. Boys round here stay key for the mess. Ops wanna flirt, but they end up in debt, cause they all fold when the lads come for collection. Listen, tell them all stop slipping. See the boys from the 7 stay drifting. You know we ain't.
They're all in debt when the boys come for the collection. Silly. That was a pretty sicky one right there.
They all fold.
Man, interesting.
Ain't key for the mess. Ops wanna flirt, but they end up in debt, cause they all fold when the lads come for collection. Listen, tell them all stop slipping. See the boys from the 7 stay drifting. You know we ain't tripping. And when I pull up on the up like then you're walking, watch the boys go missing. Vasangi ka mai ki fia kama mamafa makama leanga le loko.
So what are you saying?
Damn.
Pull up on the up like then you're walking, watch the boys go missing. Vasangi ka mai ki fia kama mamafa makama.
Fasangamiki.
Nikamiki.
Fasangamiki. We forbid these kids
Leanga le loko.
who have bad
energy, vibe.
Yeah, negative vibes.
Type of thing.
Yeah. So forbid these kids who have negative vibes.
Bad energy, no. I like it.
Whaasangi ka mai ki whia kama mamafa ma kama leanga le loko. E peo le kalako inga oso le nguku e iunga koko.
I like it. It's got the sound.
Yeah, yeah. It actually sounds pretty bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, I loved it. Bro, this feels pretty gangsta. It's like when Zipso came out with that Fika Mele Pese, like everyone felt gangsters. This is how I feel when I hear this track right now.
Zipso.
Is he saying
Just like what the old man says.
If you jump the
If you answer back to me, you're gonna get bleeding mouth.
Yeah. Damn.
What were you gonna say?
Yeah, I was gonna say something. Like jump to conclusions and then you get a bleeding mouth or something.
Okay.
So don't chat about war, but no cause and are key for the bro. I'm not gonna lay out, so you go with the ball when the shit goes down to me now, bro. Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dollar steps to the scene, where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the sevens pull up, get it done. Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dollar steps
Oh, I like that effect. Let's just go back. Rough
Not too
Pops,
far
man.
back.
Rough Pops, oh, he's silly.
Where do you run? Cause the sevens pull up, get it done. Who do you call? Who do you see?
Hey.
When you dollar steps to the scene, where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the sevens pull up, get it done. Someone come stop me, someone come get me. Cause my bars are too fucking empty. Shows the form, shows the talk. Cause I know you're making that call, bunch of flops. Where are all of you dogs looking all soft? They call me the bus driver, cause all I do is drop off. Who do you call? Who do you see? When I drop that up and now they calling police. When I drop this flop and I don't want to stop until this whole face bleeds. Got the boys for the 43, cause you know where they all be. Always down for the West, strictly 7, keep it OG.
He keeps going like this, swaying back and forth. It's making me going.
Yeah, I feel like.
It's good vibe, babe.
Yeah. Like he's got a strong message, but also like. It's like. Yeah, I don't know.
It's not too intimidating, but happy. Happy.
Now look, now listen, there's something that you've been missing. If you come my ways in the LA, these hooks is what you've been missing. Now look, now listen, there's something that you've been missing. If you come my ways in the LA, these hooks is what you've been missing. Who do you see? When you dollar steps to the scene, where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the sevens pull up, get it done. Who do you call?
I like how they say in LA. Yeah, no. It's pretty sick.
When you dollar steps to the scene, where do you go? Where do you run?
Hey,
Cause the
Vic.
sevens pull up, get it done. I'm taking them hustle like Bebo, give me 3 shots, it's a free throw, boys.
Saying them what, like Bieber? Oh, he's silly. We're taking it right back with Bieber. When I used to have Brett Store in my bio thinking I was gangster.
Where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the sevens pull up, get it done. I'm taking them hustle like Bebo, give me 3 shots, it's a free throw. Boys covered up like Nacho Libre. Just step up, get knock out the park like a T-ball. Who's next? Who trying to get paid? See all this chat about action, but them actions come delayed. We pull up, we stick to the plan. Listen to the OG, that's your command. If a hero gets up and challenges his luck, just hit it with a once you slip. End the cup with the overhand. Knowledge is ain't nothing new, we do what we do. Do what we do. Speak on my name, you'll get fed too. So you better step back if you don't wanna be banged. Got your crew, I got my dime, my bro's kinda skits. Tryna mess around, you'll get dusted like we're looking for a prince. Better step back if you don't wanna be banged. Got your crew, I got my dime, my bro's kinda skits. Tryna mess around, you'll get dusted like we're looking for a prince. Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dollar steps in the scene, where do you go?
Hey, we're using hands now.
Where do you run? Cause the sevens pull up, get it done. Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dollar steps in the scene, where do you go?
Hey, that sounds like enemies.
I don't know, but I'm getting this vibe like they're in there, but I can't see them.
Yeah. I feel like
they're
I'm
from
seeing
there,
bits of them, but
from
I'm not.
Brisbane.
And then his voice makes me think it's Api. Yeah, and then I just heard the ow, and we all know the ow is
Ow.
ow.
Looking for prince. Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dollar steps in the scene, where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the sevens pull up, get it done. Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dollar steps in the scene, where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the sevens pull up, get it done. Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dollar steps in the scene, where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the sevens pull up, get it done. Who do you call? Who do you see? When you dollar steps in the scene, where do you go? Where do you run? Cause the sevens pull up, get it done.
I feel like I've seen that somewhere. I love how clear the visuals are, eh?
Even though it's in the dark.
Yeah.
Very
Lighting
nice.
is really good.
Rough pops.
Yeah, rough pops, man. Underrated or what?
Cause there's a lot of good filming crews. A lot of good, man. Lot of good.
Damn, I actually really loved that. Oh, what do you think of
What
that?
a good vibe.
Yeah. Man, what a way to start off our reactions tonight.
What a good vibe. Just.
Yes, Mum's speechless. See what you just did?
Just a good vibe.
You gotta do that some more, right? Yeah,
I
like
love the Psalm 1.
yeah, I love the Psalm 1. I like
that.
when, because we listen to, like, you know, King Kapisi and the movement, stuff like that, and I love how they always incorporate their languages and stuff like that, like with connects and all that. Yeah, so I like that there's some of the youngins actually doing that as well, so I love that. I love that a lot of the youngin artists are starting to incorporate their language into their songs and raps and stuff like that, which is pretty sicky. Also the visuals, man, I love the visuals. Nice and clear. It's not like, oh, like you can see every single person that's, if despite it being dark, the lighting's well, the editing's pretty sicky.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's just a good vibe overall. Yeah, I feel like alright.
I love the beat. I like. Mind you, I always have like good beats. Like I don't know why, but I always compare to Dr. Dre.
Yeah.
I love Dr. Dre and
Dre's
just
the one.
you know, but like the beat, it's nice. The vibe, and I don't know why I just had in my head TikTok.
Where do you go? Oh no, it would be like.
Is that the only moves you do on TikTok?
No.
Are those the only moves that come out of TikTok?
Yes.
Yeah, it's
You don't want to see my moves, yeah?
You don't want to see my belt.
You don't want to see this. Oh, fuck.
One child.
See, you just missed how good that was. But you guys didn't miss it, so it's alright. Bloody.
I love it how it's at night time, but you know if you compare it to other videos where
like
then in night time and they're shooting at night, but it's not very clear.
Yeah, like it
it
looks like, you know, grainy, like usually when I record it. Like say no offense, but Enemies song German, how it just look really like what?
But this is nice and clear.
Yeah, nice and
like
clear.
They must have pretty good lighting there.
Yeah, like I wonder what camera and stuff he used. Must be that Sony A7, eh? Damn, love it.
You have to subscribe.
Yeah, got a man, Joweezy, eh? Not too bad.
Yeah.
It's pretty good up and coming artist. And Vicc obviously smashed it again. I rated I'll give this one a 9. I really like this one. Yeah. It's not.
I love the Psalm 1, but
the Psalm 1, but really like took off for me. I love that. Yeah, I like the other guy's bars. I was more into Joweezy's vibe, like just his vibe and his flow and stuff like that. Yeah, Vicc, he always comes across as high.
Came in strong.
Yeah, he comes in strong, man.
Just like the last clip.
Yeah, like despite it being quite a chill song, it felt like a chill song. Like him going hard still felt alright. Yeah.
Like in the last
track
where he was on, that's him.
Yeah.
So it's consistent.
He's very consistent. Sparky. Yeah, he's actually switched it up a bit off his Psalm 1. Yeah. Quite like it. Yeah.
You need to switch up with your Psalm 1 too.
Oh, easy. It's so
easy, Joweezy.
Also, happy Psalm 1 Language Week, fam. We're quite behind on it. Yeah. But yeah, fams, I hope you guys enjoyed this track. I sure did. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Also, please, again, if you're new to my channel and you're watching, please subscribe.
Also, don't forget, please, PolyMovement fams, subscribe to the brothers here on YouTube. Just subscribe and share the love. Share the video out on your social medias. Support our Poly fams. Also, our Poly businesses. Please check them out and buy some t-shirts. Support our Poly fams too, please. Please, fams. That doesn't take much. It really doesn't. On Instagram and Facebook, please, fams. No, that's for free.
But yeah, fams, I'll have the information to the tracks in the description box below for you guys to check out. So please,
and merch details.
yeah, and merch details in case you guys forget. But yeah, much love, fam. Stay safe and see you guys in the next video. Bye.